Hadian kejingki win hapok kejala lo kejing pentrai kami ka roster system hapok kejala Meghalaya usembut mitrang ba kejala ulai thu bak sorkar hau benai Jymmang kan khot ya Jymmang jong baroh kiseng sain pertai na kebenta banya thir halor ka roster habai krem kilap thai kubor ba prestun ten song ulong ba haswa ban khot ya Jymmang na kaliang ka sorkar kan khot shwa ya Jymmang ka kanhul menteri sorkar bat kumju uru ya Jymmang MDA banya tai sani ba halor ka te kebenta.
Right now, the duty of the government is to again revisit and study properly about the roster system, and we are on the job. And very soon, most likely, maybe in the month of May, all political party meeting will be called by the government. And not only that, before doing that, we will have a detailed discussion in the cabinet. We'll have also a detailed discussion within the MDA partners who are also part of the government. The question of amendment does not arise. This is not the act. It is only a policy. And this policy has been started right from 1972. So the question of, even I saw one political party, they demanded that we should have special session, which is not at all needed, except if we intend from the government to amend the act, the existing act. The highest authority to agree to the amendment means it is the Legislative Assembly. Yeah, that is what I'm saying. See, just demanding that we have to review the restoration policy, it is not as simple as that. It is not at all as simple as that. So, when you talk about roster system, yes, now the government is seriously examining this issue, and once that is done, cabinet will sit down, MDA will sit down, and then ultimately we will invite all political parties, and then we will invite also all the stakeholders in one go, where we will explain exactly what is the roster system, how is it taking effective, is it retrospective or is it prospective. No, that I can't say anything. Let you ask from them, ne? Because right now, as I said to you, the concern of the stakeholders, the concern of the people of the state is about the roster system, that it should be implemented prospectively, not retrospectively. I think that is the main core issue. I've seen it even quite a number of NGOs in the state. They demanded the same way, the same thing. But when you talk about the reservation policy, that's what the first agenda for the government is, the roster system. So I'll not be able to tell you exactly about the reservation policy, because VPP, they demanded that they keep aside the roster system, and their priority is reservation policy. And reservation policy right now, as I said to you, I will not say anything, because now the focus of the government is on roster system.